And really quick, I think it's important to note that in fact Carvana has been running, showing some definite signs of a short squeeze. As far as I'm concerned, look, we gapped up, pulled back, ran up for a few days, pulled back to a higher low, pushed up higher, pulled back to a higher low, and now we've pushed up higher for two consecutive trading periods. So, I mean, and I am aware of this thing having some high short interest, aka a spec short squeeze type play right here. But it seems to be in the midst of squeezing up right now. Like, I have been actually briefing on this thing off and on for the last few weeks. But I mean, look, this is what it looks like on the hourly going back from that earnings spike. Look, we've just been consistently putting in higher lows and then grinding up. And the grind has gotten a little more bullish to the upside in the last two consecutive trading periods. And right now, I see no sign of it cooling off. However, after hours, looks like it's actually continuing to push up higher. So again, man, just wanted to bring this one to your attention. Once again, that's Carvana, ticker symbol CVNA. It appears to be in the midst of a short squeeze right now as we speak. Not saying they'll go out and buy it, but remember, what goes up must come down and vice versa. Just manage your risk. Also, from yesterday, I did say the SPY would more than likely respect this double bottom and bounce and trade within a range from this 437 up to 444. So it looks like we're trending up towards the top of the range. Basically, like I said, I even did say I would be looking at this resistance here around 439.70s. Yeah, and that's exactly where we ended at by end of day. So again, I expect us to trade within the range. For now, it looks like we're going up to test the top. Now, who knows when we get up to the top? I mean, we could break out to the upside, but one thing we do know for sure is that the market is trading within this range, and we are trending up. So, buying the dips, we're probably more favorable right now. Maybe some decent scalps on some calls or something. Again, you always want to trade with the trend. You don't necessarily, just because we're trending up, you don't necessarily have to buy the dip. There sure still are rips to fade during that time. Like for instance here, it was a rip that could have been faded, but for the most part, the market ran up. So, I mean, it would have been easier to buy the dip on this day, but that doesn't mean you necessarily had to. It's just all on your time horizon and your trading style. Basically, just like I said, we trade within a range here off this double bottom, and that's what happened. And we even, I even called this level out as well here, this 439.70s. So let's see how price reacts to it. Looks like we're going to go ahead and break past it and keep trending to the upside, but we shall see. Either way, leave your bias out of it and just watch the price action, and then follow your rules, your plans, and your risk.